Okay, welcome to the new age. This is your boy Datwan. This is
LJ, like father, like
son. And we're here to talk about crypto. Not just any crypto, but Bitcoin in particular. We all know that it's been a major Bitcoin bull run lately, but I'm here to tell you the shit hasn't even started yet, and the shit is about to hit the fan. Play the clip.
This bull market that we're going into right now, in terms of what is your price prediction for the end of the year, or how high do you think that we can go in the bull market?
Yeah, tough question. I love it. I'm wearing the 100K hat. I think that comes fast, honestly. Once the all-time high breaks, like people kind of gawk at big numbers, but again, like you have to look at Bitcoin in the log chart for a reason. And when we break these all-time highs, I think it's going to be similar to kind of the price action we saw after 20K broke. We flirted with 19, 20K for a little bit, and then a month after the all-time high broke, we were at 40,000. So I think, maybe that doesn't repeat exactly, but it's going to trade, and it's going to trade very, very reflexively. It's going to go parabolic, and a lot of people, are going to kind of, it's going to melt faces. And so you're going to have a lot of capital, flooding into this asset, and you're going to have not a lot of people selling, especially early on. So, I think we're at, 6 figures or close to it by the end of the year. And I'm pretty confident that it's not just, going to stop there. Bitcoin is here to stay.
So you see in that video, they're predicting $100,000 price target easily. What's your thoughts on $100,000 price target?
cha-ching, cha-ching.
Easy money, easy money. It's a hell of a time for anybody who invests in crypto. This is a major moment in history for any economic time frame in history. I think this is a major turning point for not only, crypto, but for society as a whole, to me.
Yeah, I think that it's the greatest transfer of wealth known to man in any era.
Right. So let me get into 3 days ago, Bloomberg tweeted exclusive, as the tweet says. The SEC is likely to allow the first US #Bitcoin futures ETF to begin trading next week, and what would be a watershed moment for crypto. And like I said, we just played the clip that's predicting $100,000 price target. But what we're here to talk about is how do we capitalize on this bull run? Because you can make money off of Bitcoin, but if that's too much for you, even though you don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin, if that's too much for you, it's other opportunities that you may not know about, that we know about, that you can make some good money on. So go ahead.
And we want to share those opportunities with you. First, like Datwan said, the good thing about Bitcoin, even trading at $60,000, if you don't have $60,000, you can buy fractions of Bitcoin.
Right.
However, like Datwan said as well, it may be a little bit too rich for your blood. So another opportunity for you to make money in this space and off of Bitcoin would be the mining stocks.
In particular, we're talking about Mara, M-A-R-A, Mara. Another stock we're talking about is Riot, R-I-O-T. Riot finished over $29, almost at $30. And Mara finished over $51. And then the after hours is up as we speak at the time of this recording. So again, this stock is a great way to play crypto, even though it's not a cryptocurrency. Another thing that I'm, excited about as Bitcoin is going to run in these next 2-3 months is the other cryptos. Whenever Bitcoin runs, crypto runs as a whole. We've seen that in the history of crypto. Bitcoin is like the leader. Bitcoin is the quarterback. But as the quarterback goes, so does the wide receiver, so does the running backs. So again, Shiba Inu is
exploding.
Right, Shiba Inu is exploding, and it's currently rumors that Shiba may be listed on Robinhood soon. And it's other cryptos out here. What do you think is a good crypto to jump on now to ride this Bitcoin ETF wave?
So first off, like you said, Shiba Inu, some of the lower cap market stocks like XLM, which is Stellar Lumens, they just came out with some big data that the Canada will be releasing their CBDC running on Stellar Lumis, which is the XLM blockchain.
And that was running over the weekend. That had a really good weekend.
Stellar?
Yeah. XLM.
So that's something that you can put your investing dollars next to. Cardano is always huge. You know, I'm a big fan. My number one is XRP. All these are low cap stocks, but will ride the same low cap cryptos, but will ride this wave that Datwan just mentioned. The other thing I want you to know that's critical about Bitcoin and how you can make money on the mining aspect of it, or why you can. It's already over 18 million Bitcoins that's been mined out of the 21 million in total that exists.
Right.
So they're talking about over the next 2.5 years, two years and 3 months, that all 21 coins should be mined. So this is the time to get in, and get in now.
So I'm glad you just emphasized that. Let me get your final takes. What's a price target for Bitcoin by the end of the year? What's your price target for Bitcoin?
So Bitcoin, I think it easily can reach 90,000. I say 90,000 because a lot of money, a lot more institutional money will be poured into this space.
Right.
And we know that ETFs attracts huge dollars.
Right. So over 90. I'm gonna say I agree with the clip we showed y'all. Once it gets past all-time highs, it runs easily to me. I think 90 is a good price target for Bitcoin, but I think it can easily go over 100 easily once it runs. Once crypto runs, the rewards is just insane. So that's my take on it. I think easily over 100 we can see by 2022.
Pour your money in.
Pour your money in. It's time to get in. We said it on our last crypto video. We said this is no longer an asset that is just
can be ignored.
Right, it can't be ignored. It's here to stay, and it's already established. This is a top 10 asset in the world.
In the entire world.
With that being said, if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you. I'm in, I'm out, I'm out, I'm in. Welcome to the new age.